My name is Hugo Gamino, and I'm gonna be making chicken confit flautas and ensalada de nopal. I feel like sometimes where I think of two sides of Mexican food, it's either this elaborate, really nice plated meal, or it's something that you can have on the go, and this is kind of a mixture of both. The nopal salad is something that I grew up on. It's something that my grandmother used to make, then my grandfather, my mother, my wife loves it, so I try to make it as much as possible. I cook my flautas from a raw state. I like how soft it comes out. It gets nice exterior crunch on it, but on the inside you still get a little bit of that nice bite. I like the counterbalance of the acidic kind of pickled nopal salad on top with that creamy, rich flauta flavor on the inside. It's just things that I'm familiar with, things that I grew up with, things that I love.